Hey, so my name is Dr. Hellen Maziku. I'm a lecturer here at the College of ICT, but also I coordinate and manage all activities under the Youth for Children, or Y4C Innovation Hub, which is located here, and it's just an innovation space that allows students to think out of the box and come up with innovations through the human-centered design to be able to tackle areas, challenges, especially the WASH area. Of course with other areas, but mainly the WASH area, which brings me here today. Unboxing data in the digital economy, especially in the session that I was just in the session of WASH, it means so much that how can we answer critical questions like what is the status of access of WASH to people with disabilities? Can we have that statistics? What can we say about the access of WASH in schools? We have more than 18,000 primary and secondary schools in Tanzania, but do we know how many have WASH facilities and how many don't have? So unboxing data in the digital economy for me is especially centered around the youth, because I deal with the youth. They have so much to offer, but how can the data and the digital economy play a role for them to raise their voice, especially their participation in WASH events and the continual behavioral change? How can we track this? How can we know that as the years progress that there's more involvement and more participation of girls, people with disabilities, or just in general, the public in the area of WASH? Data tamasha is everything. It's important because without data, then there's nothing you can report. Without data, without actionable data, without citizen-generated data, we cannot know the progress. And so data tamasha plays a central role in the sense that it brings the stakeholders, because we're doing so many interventions in so many areas of the country, but then how are these stakeholders getting to know the information? So data tamasha brings all of us together, whereby we can dialogue, we can talk, what are the loopholes, what are the innovations or maybe interventions that need taking up, or where are we, or how can we evaluate ourselves? So data tamasha is an area where you just have to come if you're really interested in the areas of innovations and the areas of WASH and other disciplines.